guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I like to decorate my house for fall, or just as soon as September hits. I just want to have all of the fall vibes. I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright you guys, so I just brought these boxes and things from my basement to the first floor, and I am so excited to go through them. I actually went through them in August because I have been buying, like I showed you, some of this year's fall decorations. So I already know pretty much what's in there, but I want to show you so that you see what I have collected throughout the years. Now this might look like a lot, or it might look like not enough, but I think I have a pretty decent sized house, so once I place everything, it won't be all like cramped or crowded. I also just received a package from my cousin in Arizona, and I am so grateful for her sending me these goodies, and I think that I'm going to unbox it with you and show you what she actually sent me. Thank you so much, Michelle. I love you, and I appreciate you doing this for me. So this is what she got for me. How nice and sweet is that, you guys? She even included a beautiful card. Thank you so much, cousin. I love them. Everything is so fascinating for you, huh, Kitty? I should stop calling you Kitty and call you by your name. Charlie. Charlie. So I separated everything into little piles. And this first one is all of my fall candles that I have had since last year, and some of them even before last year. And I know for sure that some of them need to be thrown away because I actually burnt through them. And the ones that are almost empty, I think I should just also throw them away, just because some of them literally smell like bonfire and candle. So, and then this little pile over here goes in my kitchen. This one in the dining room, I think. Or maybe I'll put it in my TV, in that furniture piece over here, TV stand. But this goes in the kitchen. And then over here I have garlands and a little wreath. And then over here I have some woodland creatures, like this little chipmunk, or what is it called? I cannot think of the name, but an owl and a little scarecrow, and then this truck that I think I got from Target. Pretty sure I got it from Target last year, the year before that. A squirrel, that's what it's called. And then this one I got it from Target's Dollar Spot, I think. And I have been loving the things that are going to come out from Target this year, so I cannot wait to get just a few things. And then this pile over here is made out of signs that I put in my foyer, in my kitchen, in my bathroom, and then in the fireplace and above the sink, I think. And then one fall pillow, and then this one, I don't know. I might get rid of some stuff, you guys. There goes a kitty. Okay, and then these are all of the pumpkins that I currently, or that I owned before, because I actually bought just a couple more. But yeah, as you can tell, I have some green ones, white, and more traditional orangey ones. And I also have these pumpkins that are like stacked together. So that's it. That's what I am going to be using to decorate my home. Alright guys, so in this sectional I have several different pillows, and this one is one of my favorite, pumpkin everything. This one I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I like that it's reversible. You can actually put it any way you want. But I'm putting it like this just because I already have one that has lettering in it. And then over here, the autumn leaves and pumpkin, please. I like the pop of orange. And on the other side of the sectional, I have this beautiful orange truck with some colorful pumpkins. And it's also in the gingham pattern. I got that at Marshall's. And this one's over here, they're just pillow covers. I got them at Amazon. So I can actually use my pillows and just put a different cover seasonally. So this is how it looks. It's simple, but I think nice. And then so this is my favorite place in the whole house, how it turned out, especially because of the ivy just hanging down. I absolutely love how it looks. Alright guys, so I will tell you where I got most of everything from. If you saw my fall haul, you know where I got most of this stuff. But I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it looks very whimsical and I love it. So over here in the very corner, I have this owl, and then I have a little chipmunk or squirrel over there, and I got those at Michael's last year. And you know that this 3 signs I got from Hobby Lobby for 75% off, which I'm super stoked. I think that's a really great deal. I already had this sign over here and this sign over here, and then the mixture of pumpkins over here. Some of them came in a little baggy, and they are from Hobby Lobby, and this one is from the Home Depot. I got it for $5 last year. This sparkly one over here is from the Dollar Tree, and the garland of the fall leaves I got, I think, Walmart. This garland, this greenery over here that looks kind of like ivy that falls or cascades down, I got it from Hobby Lobby a couple days ago for 40% off, and I love the look that it gives it. And then if I move down here, I have 2 candlesticks that I already owned and 2 pumpkins that I've had for several years also. And in this corner, I have my 3 stackable pumpkins that I got from the Home Depot. Also, I think we got those for $10 last year. And then this tub or tin, it is also from Hobby Lobby. And it says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, and it kind of looks like it's rusted, but it's painted. And the gingham pumpkin and the one that has the little twirl I got from Marshall's, and then the other ones I already owned. So yeah, this is the fireplace mantle. Like I said, I love how it turned out this year. Over here on this side of my wall, I have my TV. And I also have my lamp that I absolutely love. It is a selenite lamp. I think that's how you say it. Let me see if you can see it better this way. And I just like having salt lamps and selenite lamps all over my house for different reasons. You can research the benefits. But back here in the TV stand, I have this long tabletop decoration that I got, I don't know, you guys, like 5 years ago from Marshall's. And originally it only had like the greenery and you know, like the gourds or whatever. And I added these orangey pumpkins. They're actually picks that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby just to give it a pop of color. And then all the way in the very back is this cute woodland hedgehog that I think I might have acquired when I bought the little squirrel and the owl all the way over here. And then on this corner I have the Joann's ladder that I showed you guys on Instagram. And I also grabbed my first fall blanket, and it is in the gingham or checkers pattern, and I got that from Kirkland's with a coupon, and surprisingly it was the same price as if I would have ordered it on Walmart. I think I got it for $15. And then over here I just added this little plant, and I have the Ray Dunn candle. Over here on this blue velvety chair, I have the Dollar Spot pillow that I picked up last year. And it is also in that little checkered pattern. I think this year they have more beautiful pillows, and I cannot wait for them to stock my local Target. But yeah, this is how this side of the wall looks. Last but definitely not least, I have over here my Swiffer cleaner. Don't pay attention to that. But just the other chair and the little foot rest. And I have that pillow that I already owned. And this one is a little thrift store pumpkin that I grabbed many years ago also. I think it needs a little, it needs a new ribbon for sure. But this is how it looks, and I don't know, I have sentimental value towards some stuff. In the other video, I will show you a little scarecrow that I got when I was in college, you guys, and he's so cute, and I just cannot get rid of him. But yeah, this little pumpkin, I think it might have been one of the very first decorations that I bought at a thrift store for my home, and I just like it. I will definitely be adding a new ribbon for it, though. So this is how my entryway looks like. I super love this pillow. It looks just like Charlie. And by the way, he's Charlie over here. But this is the foyer entrance, and this year I wanted to incorporate the teal that I have in this room and just like get everything, you know, like matchy a little bit. But I still love the greens and the oranges together. So over here, all the way in the very bottom, I have this tobacco basket. And then I have this glittery or pumpkin that has like super cute fairy lights inside. And I actually showed you guys this pumpkin in my fall haul video. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it after this video. And then I have a variety of different pumpkins. I just like to mix different type of pumpkins into my decorating. This one was from Marshall's, and then this one was from Target last year. This one was from the Home Depot, and I only got it for $3, I think. And then this glittery one, I got it at a thrift store, and I just love it. Oh, hi. And then I have this garland that I think I also got at the dollar spot from Target. I don't think it was like a seasonal garland, but I like to incorporate it just because, I don't know, I like how the orange and the teal and this type of green looks all together. And then over here, there's other different types of pumpkins. This one, I don't remember where I got it many years ago. This one was also from the dollar spot from Target a couple years. And this one was in my summer entry table already, so I just left it there. And then this is a new item that Hobby Lobby has. I don't know what it is, but I'm using it like as a candle holder or just to add this little pumpkin with a succulent that I got from Target last year. And this little truck, I also got it from Target last year, but I spray painted it kind of like a teal aqua type of paint or color. And I just added a couple of pumpkins at the top and I just glued them together. I already had this candle from my summer decoration, and this fall sign, I believe I also got it from Target. It doesn't have a sticker anymore, but this was from last year. And in the very back, I have my Himalayan salt lamp that I think it goes well with all of the decorations. And then over here, I have these flowers that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby. They kind of remind me of some flowers. And I already had this greenery also. Over here in this very corner, I have this palm that we got from IKEA. And it has grown a lot, you guys. But I do not wish to move it. And I don't know how it looks like together with this. Maybe it clashes or it's like a little bit too much. But I think I'm just going to leave it here for the fall, and then for winter or Christmas, I will definitely move it to a different place, but right now it resides in this little corner of my house. And I also have 3 stackable pumpkins that I got from the Home Depot. So yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that I gave you some fall decorating ideas. Please be sure to stay tuned for more fall decorating. I think next I'm going to do my kitchen and my entrance, like my porch. So I hope that you subscribe to my channel and you like it if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!